Bentley. It's Wacky Wednesday. It's Wacky Wednesday, buddy. What are we gonna do? I'm gonna make some spaghetti, I think, because that's what we do on Wacky Wednesday. Sorry about that. But I turned the news on for our local, our local news channel. Ooh, there's still snow. I mean, ice. Look at that. That's ice. Ooh, look at that. That's great. That's ice. And they're still talking about people where they had to abandon their car last night because they couldn't get unstuck. That's pretty bad. Watch out for the ice, people. It's still out there.